Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. So today's video is going to be a ton of fun. I'm really excited because I finally got my hands on the coveted and famous Baccarat Rouge 540. I know I'm very late to the game, like a couple years late, but hey, better late than never, right? So today I am just going to give my review of the perfume and let y'all know if it's really worth the splurge. So if that's something that you're interested in, then let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all. So I finally got my hands on Baccarat Rouge 540. It has been on my wish list for a very long time, but for some reason I just could not justify the price. So I really just waited and waited and waited. And I finally got it. It is here and I am so happy about it. So I've actually already smelled it, so this isn't a first impression, but I just wanted to talk about the fragrance, let y'all know my opinion on it, and let you know if I think that it's actually worth the splurge or not. First off, I want to show you the package that it comes in. This is the box. I really like the box. The packaging looks really nice and very luxurious. And then when you open the box, and there is the fragrance. So anyway, we're going to get into this fragrance. So again, that is what the box looks like. So this is the packaging of the bottle. It is 2.5 fluid ounces and it comes with a cap, and the cap is really heavy. It's kind of makes the bottle pretty heavy, but it's a nice sturdy cap. So that's what I like. So a little bit about the fragrance. I'm sure you probably have seen a ton of reviews on this already, but if you haven't, then I'm going to just read the notes from Fragrantica. So this has saffron and jasmine as the top notes. There's amberwood and ambergris as the middle note. And then there is fir resin and cedar as the base note. So I'm going to just spray a little bit. Okay, so a little bit about this fragrance. A lot of people say that Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume is comparable to this, and I actually tried Cloud before I actually smelled this. When I smelled this initially, I was like, whoa, this is the same exact perfume as Cloud. Literally the same. So I'll definitely say that the opening notes of Baccarat Rouge 540 is pretty similar to Cloud. Now, once it dries down, that's where the huge difference is for me. So once it dries down, it just smells, first of all, it smells amazing. But once it dries down, I get more of the cedar and I also get hints of jasmine. For me as well, there's fruity notes that are coming out. It doesn't mention any fruity notes on Fragrantica, but I get a little hint of fruit for some reason, especially the more I wear it and the longer it lasts on my skin, it starts to smell a little fruity. But I'm definitely getting the notes of cedar. So compared to Ariana Grande's Cloud, this one is definitely more woodsy and it's not as sweet as Cloud is, especially in the dry down. Another thing that I really love about Baccarat Rouge 540 is the sillage. This honestly has one of the best sillages of all of the perfumes that I own. You literally can smell this a mile away. And I've been getting so many compliments on it. Every time I wear it, someone is like, hey, you smell so good. What do you have on? It is just amazing. I think that Ariana Grande Cloud is great. However, it doesn't last long. It lasts for maybe like 3 or 4 hours on me, and then I have to reapply it. With Baccarat Rouge 540, this lasts honestly a couple of days. If I spray this on my skin or well on my clothes, it'll last a few days. Like say if I'm spraying it on my winter coat or my hat or something like that, this will last a long time. I smell it all throughout the day, and that's what I love about this. The thing that I also love about this scent is that it's unisex. So your man can wear this, you can wear this, anybody can wear it. And I absolutely love that. I also think that this is a great signature scent if you wanted to wear this every day, or if this is something that you just wanted to have as a signature scent, that this would be perfect. I think that the notes aren't super overpowering. They're not offensive at all. And I think that you can get away with wearing this all year round and any time of day. I personally would probably wear this at nighttime just because it is kind of sexy, but it does work for a daytime scent as well. I'm just so in love with this fragrance. Honestly, I think that this is worth the splurge. From the packaging to the presentation of the bottle to the actual perfume itself, it just makes you feel luxurious. It takes you to like this really special place. And I really just love the presentation of the entire packaging. And when I first opened it, from the time I got it from the mail to the time that I sprayed it on my body, I loved the entire experience. I do think that it's worth it. Now, if you are one of those people where you don't want to splurge on this, I think Cloud is a great dupe for this. However, it is really sweet. So when it dries down, you are going to smell a little bit more sweet. And as I mentioned before, it doesn't last as long. But this one I think was like $50. This one originally is $300. So if you don't want to splurge on this one, then I do think that Cloud is a great dupe. However, these fragrances are different in my opinion. In the opening, they have similar notes and they smell very similar. But once this dries down, this just smells more enticing. It smells more luxurious. And I really get those notes of cedar and wood. And again, I mentioned that I also get a few fruity notes as well. But I think that Baccarat Rouge 540 is definitely worth the splurge, and it's something that I would want to keep in my collection for a long time. Now, for me personally, I love Ariana Grande's Cloud as well, so I probably would just continue wearing Cloud during the day and then wear Baccarat Rouge 540 at nighttime or for a special event or an occasion. That's probably what I will do because I do still like both of the fragrances. However, I do love Baccarat Rouge 540 and I just can't stop smelling it. I am just obsessed with the packaging, and I just feel like when I have Baccarat Rouge 540 on, you can't tell me nothing. I am that girl, and that's what I like to feel when I'm wearing fragrances, especially niche luxury fragrances. I want to feel like that girl, and that's exactly how I feel with Baccarat Rouge 540. So overall, I think that this is worth the buy. I think it's worth the splurge, and if you can get your hands on a sample, definitely get a sample if you don't have it already. But it is one that I definitely recommend that you have in your collection. All right, y'all, so that was my personal review and opinion on Baccarat Rouge 540. Would I suggest splurging on it? Yes. Do I think it's worth the buy? Absolutely. Again, I think that the sillage is great. It smells amazing. The dry down is phenomenal, and it's a scent that's not overpowering. It's unisex. Anybody can wear it, and you will definitely get a ton of compliments on it. So if you love fragrances and you want to receive compliments when you're wearing your fragrances, then this is definitely one of those perfumes that I can guarantee you will receive compliments on. So that's everything. Thank you all for watching my video. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, then also be sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to follow me on social media. You can follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Both of my handles are at Ikea Alexis. They'll be linked down below in the description box, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.